The MPT-250C-SC is our motorized pole tester fitted with a 15-3318 grip set. This combo is designed to perform pull-to-fill tests on 20 thousandths, 32 thousandths, and 40 thousandths diameter safety cable. Data is displayed on the digital LCD touchscreen and requires no additional software to export. Test data allows operators to ensure the correct indenter calibration of safety cable tools before use. To operate, set the MPT-250C-SC on a flat and level surface. Adjustable front feet allow the unit to be tilted upwards for easier operator viewing of the display. Now, turn on the unit and allow it to warm up for 1 minute. Next, select the pull-to-fill test type and set the rate of pull selector to 2 inches per minute. Now push the test button on the screen. Thread the cable through the 12-point screws and terminate the cable with the appropriate safety cable tool. For this demonstration, we are using 20 thousandths cable. Push the Start button to begin the test. When the sample breaks, push the red Stop button if the unit has not already stopped from the Auto Stop feature. Record the results of the test. Remove the sample from the 12-point screws and push the Home button to return the pull wheel to the starting position in preparation for the next sample. Adjust the indenter of the safety cable tool if the maximum load sustained by the cable sample is less than the minimum pull-off strength specified in AS4536A. In this case, we achieved 56.6 pound force, and our goal was 30 pound force. This tool does not require calibration. If you are using 32 thousandths cable, you should achieve at least 70 pound force. If you have any questions on the MPT-250C-SC, feel free to reach out to us at dmctools.com.